When you have a building that's too low and the water's getting inside it, like this garage, now there's a failed sump pump system put there. This is Michigan, and you can't go that shallow. It's just a regular house sump put right there. The pit's only 24 inches deep. So the water collects and it gets in the building. Now the water was running downgrade to the house, so a landscaper built up on this building. This is the service door to this garage. They just built dirt up on the side of the building, can't use the service door. The correct way to fix a problem like this is to build a retaining wall and then fill it in with dirt, and then do an open French drain around this building to a sump system and inject it up over the wall. There's been many attempts made at correcting this problem. We're here to correct this yard drainage issue once and for all. For all your yard drainage needs, give us a call.